Yeah, the whole neighborhood is being burnt to the ground from flying embers from one brush fire, they say, up in the hills. So the whole neighborhood is in flames. No electricity over here. Everybody's evacuating to the Lahaina Civic Center. And I'm staying here. Hopefully nothing gets across the channel. Well, we already had fires in the channel burning up all the bushes in there. But so far nothing's hit over here except for little flying embers, but there's nothing to catch fire over here. It's all concrete and metal. So hopefully this will be okay. I'll stay here as long as I can. And when it gets dangerous, then I will attempt to find a way out. There's only one road in here and out of here anyway, going north. Everything south should be on fire. Until later.